Hello, guys. In this video, we're going to cover top 10 most important and useful Excel tools or functions. So, in number one, we have the merge. Now, then we have paste special, format picker, draw numbers, comments. We've got remove duplicate, flash fill, print area, page setup, custom short, custom sort, and so we're going to cover all of these today. Okay. So first is the merge. Now let's say we have a sales company here. Okay. So in this, I have the ABC company. This is the serial number, products, opening, purchases, sales, closing. So this is the title, right? So I want to make this whole bar, all of these cells, title cell. Okay. So I'm just gonna select all of these. Let's say you want to merge the whole bar here, all of these lines. So you just gotta go to the home, and here you'll find the merge and center, right? So we're going to click on that. Now you can see that it has been merged and it's in the center, the ABC company. The title is in center, right? Okay. So next we have the paste special. Okay, so paste special is basically using a format. Okay, like for instance, here I have two charts here, and now I actually copied this one and then pasted here, but I named this one 2nd January and this one is 1st January. So this is the ledger of this day, 1st January. So if I like look at here, the closing balance is 7 here, and the opening balance was 12. Now in this in the next day, I want the opening balance to be the closing balance as it was the day before. Okay, so if I just mm, say I want this to like be the value as this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste it. So you can just paste it like this, but if you want like the whole row to become, I mean, if you want it like automatic, okay, so you can just select the whole row here like that, and then just click copy. And here you can just paste, just right click and go to paste special. Okay, now here they're going to ask you what do you want these in, like all or formulas or values, formats, components, sorry, comments, validation, or oh, there are so many options here. So we're just gonna select values, press on OK. All right, so that's that's gonna be the values here. Okay, so that is the paste special uh, option. So next we have the format picker. So the format picker is basically if I just select this one, the serial number, and if I go here in the home section, and here is the format painter, and I select that one, I'll select that one, and for that let's apply something. Now, if I select this one and apply some color here, now you can see that it's colored, right? But if I go to the home section and go to format painter and just select it, you can see here like now if I do this, like you can get it colored like that, okay? So if I like select any other color, it'll change the whole color like this one, say. So that is the font picker. Okay. the format picker. Okay, that is the format picker. Now next is draw numbers. So the draw numbers is basically if I go to the Excel sheet and here, if I only select this one, and if I write here one, I can write here one, two, and just go on, one, two, three, four. But if I just select this whole thing like this, it shows one only, right? So I don't want that. So we're gonna write one, and if we type in the control and drag this down, you can see here there's the number one, two, three, and there you go. So you don't have to type in all the numbers by yourself. You can just control it and just select the cells and just draw it. Okay, so it's simple as that. So that is the draw numbers. So next we are going to look at the comments. Now the comments is like, for instance, the purchases. If I right click it, uh, there's an option called insert comment. In here I can leave a comment like, uh, this is purchase. Okay, once I'm done, you can see here there is a red red triangle here that if you move your cursor there, the comment appears, right? As well as this one. If I want to add a comment, just go right click and insert comment inside, just write whatever you want, and then just once you just go there, it'll show the comment there. Okay, so that is the comment. And next we have remove duplicate. Next we have the remove duplicate. So for instance, if I have like, let's say 8, 7, 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay, so there are some duplicates number here. So I'm just gonna select all of these. Once I've selected it, now once I've selected it, I'll go to home, and here you can see there's conditional formatting. Now in here, I'm going to go to the highlight set rules, cell rules. Now there is an option called duplicate values. I'm going to um, press on that, and formatting cells contain duplicate. Yes. Okay, and you can see that the duplicate numbers, they are highlighted now. Okay, so that's how you remove the duplicates. So now we want to remove all of these. Okay, so I'm just going to um, select all of them, and I'm going to go to data here. Inside the data, you can find remove duplicates. If you press on it, they're going to ask you from which component do you want to remove the duplicates from. So I want the serial number duplicates to go. So I'm just going to deselect all of these, the rest of them. Okay. Now say okay. Okay. They say that they found 5 duplicate values found and removed. 9 unique values remain. Okay. There you go. That's how you remove the duplicates. So next is flash fill. Now, what is flash fill? Suppose I have some products here, like the A products, and then we can get the B, C, D. E. So suppose I have 10 units. I have like 10. Suppose I have like 10 units here, and I've got 20 here, and I've got, let's say, 30, 40, and let's say we have 60 units here. So so what I want to do here is I want the units to show here, like one thing I can do is I can just type in 10 units or 20 units or just 30 units, but no, I want to like I want the values to come in like that. Okay, so what I can do here is just um, press F1. So what I can do here is just select this, then press Control C, and then go here, press Control V, and if I drag it like this, and then press Control E, you can see that the you can see that the values, the units have been copied here. Okay, they've been placed as they are right here, right? Okay, so now we have the print area. Print area is, let's go, let's say I want to print, um, I want to print up to like, I don't want to print it up to like, let's say I want to print up to like only this part. Okay, no, let's say I want to print out only this part, leave the closing area, closing part here, and I just have to go to the page layout, click on the print area, set print area. Now if I just, now you can see that this place is marked that it's gonna be printed, only this part is gonna be printed. Now if we go to the file and go to the print section and see the print preview, you can see here that only that area has been selected for printing. Okay, so that is the print area. And next we have the page setup. So the page setup is, let's say I want to print, I'm going to select all of this, and if I go here, you can see that it's set it up the parts that I want to print, right? This one is excluded. Also this closing closing row is also excluded, but if I want, I can just select less. Okay, just use these. So if you just select them, and then it will be selected for page setup and printing. Okay, so that is the page setup. Next we have is the custom sort. So now the custom sort is like, if I want to sort it in custom, let's say if I select all of this, all of it. And if I go to the data and go to sort here, you can see I'm going to create a new list, and let's say custom list. All right, so here in the new list, I'm going to sort out, let's say I'm going to sort it out with, okay, B 21st, and then I want D 40, and then A 10, and E 60. Okay, let's add them. Okay. All right, so you can see here it's in order like this. Now, when I change it, I have to select the sort by, since I took the product, I'm going to sort by the product, and then I click. You can see that it's changed. Okay. The order has changed, right? Sorting order. So that's how you use the custom sort. And I hope this was helpful, and please practice as well. And thank you.